My video making has reached new heights, well, at least 6 foot. Today I'm on a shed roof. In my daughter's shed, looking at a decent sized pool of water. Where's it coming from? So looking up on the underside of the roof, we can see evidence of water staining along this join here, and yeah, it's definitely still damp, and it runs all the way along to almost the full length. Did manage to catch some of it in this tub, but it clearly needs fixing, and fixing quickly. And you don't need to be a rocket scientist to figure out the cause. A lot of staples running the full length, 2 rows, all the way down. It's only 18 months old. The felt itself is in pretty good condition, but clearly the water's just getting in through all these staple holes. Of course we could put new felt on. That's a reasonable job, and given that the existing felt's in pretty good condition, we really just need to seal those holes up. So we're going to be using Everbuild's Evercryl one coat instant waterproofing roof coating. Bit of a mouthful. I've used this before on a flat roof over a bedroom. Seemed to work quite well. It's not cheap, but it's pretty quick to apply, fairly straightforward. So let's get on with the job. When you first open the lid, you can see there's quite a bit of liquid on top, so we need to give it a good stir before we start using it. So it's had a good stir, and I don't know if you can see, it's actually got lots of small fibres in it. It says fibre reinforced on the tin, so it gives us some strength as well as some filling properties, I guess. Anyway, that looks all right. For a brush, to be honest, I've been struggling today, but I've got an old fence staining brush. I've chopped off the edges to make it a bit narrower and given it a little bit of a haircut. Don't think I'll win any prizes for my barbering, but it should do, and it's decent strength, so we'll give it a go. And decent amounts on. Let's work it in. Let's work it into the joints and along those staples. You can probably see the fibres in it. So the key here is not the neatest paint job in the world. It's more a case of working it into any nooks and crannies and those holes, and making sure it's well stuck down so we seal everything up. Easy to apply if you've mixed it up properly. It's going to be the only shed in this location with Go Faster stripes. And there we go. Probably took no longer than 10 minutes. Reasonably neat job. I've dabbed a couple of patches in places where some of the mineral dressing on the felt has come off. Not leaking there, but won't do any harm. terms of how much I've used, I'd guess probably about a quarter of a 2.5 kilo tin. So I certainly could have got away with a 1 kilo tin. Unfortunately they didn't have any in stock. So all in all, hopefully that will do the job. And don't forget to borrow your wife's best curtains for something to kneel on. Well, there you go, job done. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you again on the next one. Cheers.